So I have this beautiful plant here that I'm going to repot. I got a bigger pot here, and I've been learning from watching YouTube videos that you can put shredded paper, banana peels, and eggshells when you repot a plant. But I think I need to do that to the one I'm going to leave outside, because I really don't want ants coming in my house to get into my house plant. So here, I'll show you what I got for the house plant. Since it's a palm tree, I got this kind of potting mix here. See, palm. I also got this pomegranate tree, and it was on sale. Look, it was $38.98, and it was on sale for $15 because it's not doing too well. But I think I can save it. I'm going to repot it into this pot, and I'm going to use this stuff here that says more blooms for more colors, because I think if I have more blooms, I'll have more fruit. So I put about half of this bag of potting soil in, and then I pulled this plant, this is an Areca Palm, out, put it on top, and now I'm filling it around the edges with the rest of the potting soil. Now I'm going to water it really well, and I think it's going to be really happy in its new home. Now for the pomegranate tree. I've got this stuff on the bottom. I'm going to put some native soil and some potting soil in. So I just pulled out the pomegranate tree from its original pot, and yep, see, it's root bound. Putting it in its new pot. Now I'm putting the potting mix around the outside of the pomegranate in its new pot. So here we have the pomegranate in its new pot. And here we have the house plant in its new pot. Thanks for watching my video today, guys. Hope you enjoy watching me repot my plants. I'll see you next time. Remember, Jesus loves you. Be sure and subscribe and like and all those things you do. Bye. Mwah.